Why do some people walk into a room and instantly command respect while others get ignored, interrupted, or underestimated? It's not about looks. It's not about money. It's psychology. And today, you'll learn a simple trick that can change how people see you instantly. Most people think respect is earned over time, but the truth is people decide how to treat you within seconds. So, if you don't control that first impression, you lose respect before you even speak. Trick 1. Speak less, but speak with purpose. People who talk too much look insecure. People who speak less look powerful. It's called the scarcity effect. When something is rare, it becomes valuable. So, instead of trying to prove yourself, pause, think, then speak. And when you speak, be clear and be direct. No over-explaining. That alone makes people listen. Trick 2. Master the power of silence. Silence is uncomfortable, and that's exactly why it works. When someone interrupts you, don't rush. Just pause and look at them. When you finish speaking, don't fill the gap. Let silence sit. This creates pressure, and people automatically take you more seriously. Confident people don't chase conversations, they control them. Trick 3. Set boundaries without fear. If you say yes to everything, people stop respecting you. Respect comes from limits. Say things like, "I'm not okay with that. I'll get back to you," or "not right now." No anger, no explanation, just calm confidence. The moment you respect your own time, others will too. Trick 4. Control your body language. Before you even speak, your body talks. Stand straight. Maintain eye contact. Move slowly, not nervously. Fast movements equal anxiety. Calm movements equal confidence. Your presence should say, "I know my worth," even if I don't say a word. Conclusion. Here's the truth. People don't respect you because you're nice. They respect you because you value yourself. The moment you stop chasing approval, respect starts chasing you. If you want more psychology-based content like this, subscribe now, because the next video might just change the way people see you forever.